There she sits in all her glory. And today we're going to be restoring one of the final pieces, which is the headlight. I've got it all scuffed up. I've got it wiped down with alcohol. And the next step is to hit it with some adhesion promoter. So let's go ahead and hit it with some adhesion promoter because we're painting plastic and we don't want this paint to flake off. So let's go ahead, hit it with some adhesion promoter.
Trying everything to get you in my way. Trying every minute, trying every day. Something about the way you act like you don't know. Something about the way you're living rock and roll. Don't float in space. Don't know what to say. You got me chasing you back, hoping you notice someday, but I don't think you want it. Shaking from my head all the way to my knees, melting every time you got me begging, please. Something about the way you wanna play these games. Something about the way you look the other way. Floating in space, don't know what to say. You got me